Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you to everybody who has subscribed and liked my videos. I really do appreciate that. To everybody who is new here, thank you so much for tuning in. I do hope that you decide to stick around after this video, you decide to subscribe and like my videos because you have realized that the content here might actually add value to your life. Now in this video, I will be making an aloe vera and moringa infused oil with a hint of rosemary and peppermint essential oils. Now aloe vera is a staple ingredient in my hair regimen, and I've been using it since the beginning of 2020 when I did my big chop until currently. Now I will be detailing the benefits of each and every ingredient I will be using in this video, just so you know what you're putting into your scalp as well as on your hair. Before we get into the video, I just want to do a length reveal just so you know how long my hair is, and please be aware that my hair didn't get to this length purely because of products that I have been using. It's a combination of techniques, products and tools that I have incorporated into my hair regimen. So if you are interested in finding out how exactly I do that, please do subscribe because I will be releasing content related to that in the next videos. Now having said that, let's get right into making that oil. So the first ingredient for this DIY oil is some aloe vera. We did pick these up from our garden, but I'm sure you can get yourself an aloe plant at any nursery in South Africa. The rest of the ingredients are some olive oil, peppermint oil, rosemary oil, and some moringa, which you can source from Dis-chem. I will detail the measurements of each ingredient in the description box, but I do think that you should definitely gauge, depending on whether you have short or long hair, how much of the ingredients you might need or you might use. The shelf life of this oil is 2 weeks. So what you see here is me preparing the aloe vera. I did cut off the sides of each leaf, and you will see in the bowl that there is some yellow substance that actually seeps from the aloe vera. You do want to get rid of that. You will see in the video that I'm going to cut up each leaf and then I'm going to soak them in some water for about 30 minutes. So after soaking your aloe vera for 30 minutes, you're going to get rid of the water. Then you are going to cut up your aloe vera pieces into smaller pieces so we can get it ready for blending. In the next step, you put your aloe vera pieces in a blending cup and then you pour some extra virgin olive oil onto that. So olive oil contains omega-3 and omega-6 essential fatty acids. It is rich in vitamin E and vitamin K, which can serve to prevent hair loss. Olive oil also contains anti-inflammatory properties that help against inflammation. The third ingredient to add is moringa. Moringa is loaded with nutrients such as vitamins A, B, C, and E, iron, zinc, essential amino acids, and antioxidants, which are valuable to the hair as they are responsible for nourishing your hair. It can also promote hair growth, it prevents hair loss, and it promotes healthy hair follicles. In the final step, you are going to need some peppermint oil, some rosemary oil, and a dark brown bottle for storage. So peppermint essential oil is a good oil for promoting hair growth, and then your rosemary essential oil promotes hair thickness as well as hair growth. So whatever you do, never apply essential oils to your skin without diluting them, because they are too strong due to the fact that they are highly concentrated. You therefore need to add them to a carrier oil, which in this case is olive oil. Now, the reason why you want to store your oil in a dark brown bottle is because you want to protect it from the effects of light. So light exposure has the effect of accelerating the aging process of your oil. Now, as I did mention initially, the shelf life of this oil is 2 weeks. Now this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video to be useful, please do like, do comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Until we see each other again, stay safe and God bless you.